If you've been told your condition has no cure, this therapy might change that conversation. This is exosome therapy, and today I'll explain exactly what it is. Exosomes are tiny particles released by stem cells. Think of them as messengers. They carry genetic information and proteins that signal your body's own cells to repair and heal. Unlike stem cells, exosomes don't transform into new cells. They send instructions, activating the regenerative cells already inside your body. So what's the difference from stem cell therapy? Stem cells can become new cells. Exosomes trigger and guide the healing process, often with a simpler, more accessible treatment. Treatment usually involves just 1 to 3 sessions, depending on the condition, delivered either through a targeted injection or IV. Because exosomes can't replicate or turn into harmful cells, many patients see it as a lower-risk option to explore alongside standard care. Patients typically begin noticing changes within 8 weeks to 3 months, as the body's own repair process continues over time. Exosomes are naturally found throughout the body, in blood and other fluids. For therapy, they're sourced from mesenchymal stem cells, then concentrated and prepared under lab conditions before use. Once injected, exosomes attach to target cells using surface receptors, then release their contents, including microRNA, inside. That microRNA essentially reprograms nearby cells to switch on repair mode. This is why exosomes are being studied for 2 main effects: calming inflammation and encouraging the body's own regenerative cells to migrate toward the site of injury or disease. Exosome therapy is being studied for joint pain, autoimmune conditions, neurological conditions, and anti-aging support. But it isn't right for everyone, and it's investigational, not a guaranteed cure. The best next step is a conversation with a specialist who can review your specific case. Book your free consultation with Stem Cell Care India, link in the description.